Alright, welcome to the Discount Khan Academy. I am Nick. Here we will learn about reflexive verbs in German. So let's say you wanted to say, I wash myself in German. You would say, I wash myself in English first. Of course, you need to translate it. Now next we would use a reflexive pronoun. So this would go into ich for I, wasche for wash, and mich. Mich is the reflexive pronoun for I in German. So let's say you want to be more specific in the future. So instead of just saying I wash myself, you'd like to say I wash my hair, or I am washing my hair. You would say ich wasche mir die Haare. Now in this sentence, die Haare is the direct object and mir is now the indirect object. It's my hair. So this goes to dative because it's happening to me, and then die Haare becomes the direct object, meaning it goes to accusative. So if this were, say, den Kopf, it would stay den Kopf, or instead of der Kopf, it would be den Kopf because it is an accusative. Alright, seamless transition now.
Alright, so we are going to go into the word order of reflexive verbs. The first part is you're going to have the subject. That is whoever is doing the thing to themselves. It doesn't sound weird at all, sorry. Next you'll have the verb of what is happening. I mean, come on. And the direct object, which is connected to the subject because it's reflexive. So for example, when Nick said ich wasche mich, you have to have the subject, which is ich, be connected to its pronoun, which is mich. The other pronouns are du and dich. The RCS with sich. Wir is uns. Ihr is euch, and sie is Zeke as well. So, but then if you wanted to add an indirect object, like when Nick said he was washing his hair, you're going to have to change yourself to the indirect object. So your word order is going to be subject, verb, indirect object, which is yourself, and the direct object, which is whatever, the hair in this case. Hair. So when you have this dative case, you're going to need to change the indirect object to match the dative case, so you are now dative as well. So ich is mir, du is dir, RZS is sich, wir is uns, ihr euch, und sie is sich. Transition, please.
When using reflexive verbs, the verb must be conjugated to match the subject. So for example, if you're using sich freuen auf, which means to look forward to, in a sentence, you would put ich freue to conjugate for ich, mich as your pronoun, auf, and then the subject, die Reise. So now this sentence says, I look forward to the trip. Another example would be the verb sich beeilen. Poop. Which means to hurry. to use it in a sentence, you would write Wir müssen uns beeilen. We have to hurry. Some of the other verbs that you can use are sich ansehen, to look at, sich putzen, which is to clean, often used as to clean teeth, as in to brush your teeth. Sich kamen, which is to comb, as in to comb your hair. Or sich langweilen, which is to be bored by. Some other examples of reflexive verbs that you can use are shown here.